Beauty obsession number 1, these lip balms. I'm going to do this gorgeous pop of coral.
It's so creamy. It has that balmy consistency, but with a grown-up twist.
You just wind it up. This is like skincare meets a lipstick.
Yeah.
You can also do little dabs on your cheeks and they look so pretty. Instant little makeover. Session number 2.
This is a hair mask and it is incredible. So normally my hair is sort of quite coarse and I have quite thick, coarse hair.
You've got lovely
very
thick
unruly.
hair.
But this is why I'm wearing my hair straight today. Normally I sort of wear it a bit wavy. But it just smooths your hair down and my hair actually feels like proper hair, you know? And that's without adding any other serums or anything in. You put that on, towel dry your hair, put this on 5-6 minutes, rinse it off, and your hair, once you dry it, will be, we've both gone straight today to show you how the anti-frizz it gives you.
If you're someone that has colour in your hair, and like we've both got colour in our hair. What, you're not natural?
No, it's natural.
This really does treat dry, brittle, weak hair. So if you're someone that's got very damaged hair, I'd say use this every time you wash your hair. But if you're someone that doesn't have too much dry and brittle hair but just wants that extra strength, use it once a week. But the ingredients in this, they've got ceramides, you've got hyaluronic acid, you've got keratin.
Fixes those, you know, at the end sometimes you get that sort of shattering where it all sort of separates. It just makes it really glossy and gliding. So yeah, absolutely love it.
You're next, Katie.
Oh, exciting. Right. This one. Now, this is like a duo, may I say. Now, this looks a bit strange, I know. But this is a tanning face mist.
As a makeup artist, and as someone, you know, in their 40s, you're just reached 50, I'm soon to be 50, we have both noticed, we have both noticed that when we're makeup free, it's like all the pigment's gone from our skin.
It's like you've just been totally flushed out, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like we just look,
unwell.
Just ashen. So I always say to all my makeup clients, in the winter, spritz your face with a really natural tan. You'll find that you don't need to wear as much foundation, if any, then just a bit of concealer. But you'll also find that in the winter months, just that touch of warmth to your skin really just lift your skin. And this one is so natural looking.
It's so subtle. I always wear this now, and you got me onto tanning because I was like, oh, I don't know about face tan, I'm a bit nervous about that. It's so subtle that when you go in the morning to the mirror and you look and you think, oh, I look like I've had a good sleep, or I just look better than I normally do.
Yeah, I always say, I mean, if you've watched this before, you know me, I've got terrible dark circles. Shocking, awful dark circles under my eyes. And they always look worse if I don't tan. Like if I tan, I look less tired. Now this one, Katie, do you want to show how easy it is to use? Whether you do this at morning or night, it's not sticky, it's not greasy, you can put your makeup straight over. But you want to cleanse your skin, spritz with this, and you wait 5 minutes to apply the rest of your skincare. But it's really important you don't apply this over your skincare, it goes under your skincare.
Couple of inches away from your face, do little spritz just away in like a crossing motion across your face. And then, best bit about this is, you've got this buffing brush that comes with it, and this ensures that you can get all those little areas down your neck so they all blends beautifully. And whenever I always do self-tan, especially around, I've got quite a lot of fluff, if you'd say, and sometimes self-tan can stick to that, I find, but at least with this, you can go over and it blends it perfectly, so you don't get any of those extra lines around your eyebrows or hair.
This brush, it's been made to sculpt your face, so it's kind of like your insurance. I mean, this won't go patchy anyway, even if you don't use the brush, because it's so natural. It's created by Australians, okay? The Australians know a thing at all about creating self-tan that look natural, because they do not want that sun. Okay, so the Australians make the best self-tan. They've made this. So this is how I tend to wear it. I'll put it over my makeup, but obviously you won't do this at home. So I give it a good shake, and then I move my hand quite quickly so I get it all round. And then if you've got short hair or you're wearing your hair up, you want to get the back of your neck as well and all round your neck.
It's such a fine mist as well, isn't it? It's not going to go blobby.
Then I would get this, I won't do it now because I've got makeup on, and then I would just blend. Now, once you've done that and you're like confident in wearing it, then you can step it up, because then you can actually start contouring with this. This is so cool. So what I like to do is I will spritz, I'll do it all over like I've just shown you, then I will spritz on here and I will apply a little more around my jawline.
Ooh.
Because by shading a little bit more tan around here, it makes my jawline look sharper.
And I guess because it's so natural looking, it's not going to be, don't be frightened of it.
No,
you know?
no, it's really, really exceptional. Especially, like, I will wear this 365 days a year.
Yeah, I always wear a self-tan now, always.
Yeah. Right, next product. What is the next product, Katie?
Oh, it's the Holy Grail. It's the Holy Grail.
Oh, no, you might have seen this, or if you have. If you have, I don't need to speak. I need to speak better. So, I have made a mascara. This is called Doe Eyes. It is smudge proof, and I have made it for women that want really long smudge proof lashes, but also for women like myself, the eyes, you know, my eye did used to be a little bit more lifted. I mean, it's not too hooded, but it's certainly
It's
not.
just dropped a little bit more.
It's dropped a little.
It?
So I've created a mascara that lifts the eye. Now, this mascara, wait, we've both got it. We'll show you. You don't scrape it off, okay? Because in this wand features tiny little lashes, and you don't want to scrape the lashes out, because these lashes are going to adhere to your lashes and create the most incredible length. So it's a curved wand, and the reason I've made it curved and very, very slim,
It's very tiny,
is because when your eyes start to hood, they kind of get a little bit smaller, so it's hard getting those big brushes, you know, into your lashes. So you want to have it curving down. You just blink onto the wand. You can do as much or as little as you like. I'm really going to build this up so you can see, like, if you like a lot of lash, you'll be able to see what you can do with it. So let's
Well, if you're doing that, I'm going to do the same.
Yeah, let's build up that lash length. Then you get the little tip of the wand. Sorry, I'm going to need to look in the mirror. Apologies. I'm doing this without a mirror. And then I've made it very thin, so you can get right on the inner corners there and right on the outer corners, because when you see me pick up the lashes on those outer corners, look how that fans out my lashes and makes my lashes and my eye just look more open.
They just grow before your eyes, don't they?
It really, really does. And this is completely smudge proof.
I mean, completely smudge proof.
So it's great because if your eye is hooded, you don't want your lashes knocking onto that hood and smudging. The other reason this is really great is because a lot of women don't wear mascara on their lower lash line because they don't want mascara smudging down.
You don't want panda eyes.
But if you get a great smudge proof mascara like this, applying this to your lower lash line really does open up your eye and make your eye look so much more open and larger. And when our eyes start to hood, that's exactly what we want.
Yeah, just to make your eyes look bigger.
Yeah, we want our eyes to look bigger. So I'm now on my second coat. So I've dipped the wand in one more time.
Look how much it grows your lashes.
I know, it's so lovely. But look, I don't have lashes like that. I mean, you can see that's my lashes normally. And then this is just a second coat. Katie, come closer.
And I'm going to say, I know lots of people say, oh yeah, your makeup, your mascara is smudge proof. This is smudge proof.
Excuse me, I haven't done it perfect because I don't have a mirror. But you can see before your eyes just how long these I mean, probably I'm taking it to real extremes now. You probably don't even want your lashes this long. But I want to show you how you can create the look of lash extensions, because each time you apply this mascara, your lashes will grow. And this has been tested with contact lens wearers. Once this is on your lashes, it does not flake down. So this is my third application, which I'd almost be like, oh my God, I don't even know if I want my lashes that long. But it's just
showing you the
really
magic
to
of it,
show
isn't
you the
it?
magic of it. You can get your lashes, and you can see this is my natural lash.
Yeah, I've done it natural. As you can see, I've done it. Obviously, it was super extreme on that side, but that's natural. Just one coat on there.
Yeah. So if you want it just natural, just do a few little coats like that.
Just depends what you're after, doesn't it?
Yeah. Whatever you want on any given day. So I've done it quite natural on this side. That's, it's really pretty and natural.
I tend to do it natural, but then really accentuate the outer corners because it gives you that nice, like tiny little cat eye.
Yeah, so let's do that. So this one I've done very natural. Thing is, every day I'm like, I'm going to do it natural, and then I just apply more because I get addicted to it. And then I'll just do the outer corners, more on the outer corners, just to give. You can really play around with your lash shape. So you'll see now I'm just doing the outer corners.
So it really gives you almost like a winged eyeliner.
Yeah. So it kind of gives you just so your eye sweeps up at the corner. The reason this sold out, we launched it in January. It sold out. We've just got more in.
We had a massive waiting list for it.
We had a waiting list for it. The people that love this are obsessed. And
I'm one of them.
Well, I know I shouldn't say it because I've made it, but I've selfishly made my favourite mascara. I just wanted to make my mascara.
But you also managed to turn my mum from a mascara that she's worn for about 30 years to this, and now she wears nothing else.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, hi Susan.
Yeah.
So you can see, you choose. I think that's it for our beauty
that's
obsessions,
all our obsessions,
isn't it?
Yeah.
If you like that, let us know. Do you want us to do more of our beauty obsessions or just stick to the tutorials? Let us know.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. And if you want to find out about anything we're using, there are links. We do also have, if you buy 3 products, there's 20% off. So hopefully that helps everyone out.
Yeah, go and have a look. There's loads of things to choose from.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.